Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. You're watching Handlebar Explorer. So by the title of it you must have already understood what we are going to talk about. Yeah, I got a bit late in putting out this video, but it is what it is. I mean, it was like shit cold here and Suraj abhi nikla hai some time ago. And basically, like, these winter days are kind of like crazy. You don't understand like when the sun is going to be out, when it is not going to be out. So it is how it is. That has been going from like past few weeks now. Like कभी दिन में बहुत गर्म हो जाता है और कभी बहुत ठंडा रहता है. Like currently यहाँ पे ये सीन है कि the sun comes out for like only 1 hour or 1.5 hours, and then most of the days it's like just foggy. So yeah, I won't take much of your time and I'll straight get into it. And yeah, you're gonna see a lot of products that I'm gonna be using or that I use for winter cycling that might be helpful for you guys. And people who have subscribed already, thank you for subscribing, and people who have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna talk about gloves. Always wear full gloves. So these gloves are from Decathlon. These gloves are ST100, and then I have the other red pair of gloves. Those are ST500. These costed me 700 rupees, and the other one costed me similar at that time, but then now the prices are 1000 rupees on the red ones. So yeah, getting back to the other product. I don't know if you can see my legs, but these are the winter hiking socks that you can buy from Decathlon. These are good for light winter and might help you with cold feet and all that stuff. So people who gets cold feet easily, these are the best product for that, because it doesn't let the air get into your feet, up to your feet. Because otherwise, like if you can see my shoe or any other shoe, like shoes are technically sweat proof. So if they're sweat proof, means that your sweat, the wind or the air is going to get inside your shoes, and then it's going to make your feet get cold. So now, yeah, getting back to the next product. Okay, so for the next product, you must have seen I use these bandanas. All of these bandanas are from Decathlon. So you can just wrap it up your neck and then like wrap around your ears so that you don't get cold in your ears or your nose area and all that stuff. But yeah, all these three comes in different price point. This is the most expensive one, this is the second expensive one, and this is the cheapest one, probably 99 or 149 or 9. Similarly, the quality is different for all of these three. Now I'm not gonna wear it and show it to you, but yeah, you can wear this for light winter, just the start of winter or the end of winter, like around mid-March and stuff like that. People who get really cold. Now getting back to the next product, which is like mid-winter, let's say somewhere we are getting towards the mid-winter point, and then what do you wear during your mid-winters, right? So yeah. Okay, so next up we are geared up for the mid-winter season, where you know that the days are going to be hot but the mornings and the evenings are very cold. So for that, there's nothing much that you can change, but then there's very much that you can change. So I'm gonna give you certain items, and like me, I prefer cheap wear, so I figure out that I get the cheapest and the best item at the best value possible. So yeah, getting straight to from head to toe again. If you can see, I have changed my attire entirely, but yeah, getting to that. To start with, I use this head cover. I don't know what it is called, but this helps to prevent you from, the dews in the morning that doesn't seep into your head, or it doesn't go way inside your head. It just falls here and then it's fine. It gets soaked up. It gets dried up easily as well over time, so that is good. And like putting on the helmet again. Next up is the bandana. This one and this one I have right here. These are two different qualities. Now, if you must have seen these. I don't wear this outside much because it has bobbling now. Like bobbling as in क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I don't know. Lint निकल गया है इसका. So I don't wear this outside nowadays. But yeah, and also similarly, both of these are of different price points. So everything will be linked down as well. And then at the same time, I'll pop up some cards here so that you know what is the price that I bought these for. Abhi currently the price might be different for every item that I'm showing you here, so check out the links below that I have given. But yeah, this one, if you can see, this quality is good. It has fleece here. Similarly, it has fleece on this black part, but this upper part is not fleecy. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे ऊपर में fleece नहीं है, ऊपर में fleece नहीं है. But remember the first three that I showed you, this quality is better than those. These are thick, so it will prevent you from getting cold or way inside, like the air doesn't even pass. Secondly, this one, what I'm wearing on top is a base layer. This is for the times when you know that you want the air, but then you know that it's gonna get cold. If you know what I'm trying to say, it's like hota hai na the time when you ride fast, you get cold, but then you get hot because you are putting out more power and all that. That's when you wear a jersey over. This is a base layer from Decathlon. This is, I think this is a football base layer. This costed me about 1,000 rupees. This is light. It dries very quickly, like very quickly, even if you wash it. Like you can wash it every night and then it's gonna get dried up, but it will make you sweat eventually, so this is good. So यहाँ पे open करके पहनने से कोई problem नहीं है, because this part you're gonna get a little bit of wind. यहाँ पे नहीं आता है if you close this. And then there's this, and then on the other one, so under here what you see is a leg warmer or a knee warmer. So this comes from here till here. ये मेरे को Amazon में मिला around 600 rupees for one pair. There are other products as well similar, but I will not recommend those. This one I'll put the link down below. Very good. The only downside of this product is that after pedaling, let's say 5-10 kilometers, it's gonna skip down. So you have to pull it up back again and again. So that is the whole problem. But this has fleece under. Similarly, if you can see this product, this has fleece. There's the same material down there as well. Upar se it kind of has a sheen. So it looks like it's made for females, but it is what it is. Like, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप लोगे. If you get cold feet, if you get cold knees, if you want to get warm, you'll get this product. It's highly recommended. So yeah, I used to wear this when I know that there are times कि दिन में गर्म हो जाता है. Like let's say 11 बजे के बाद गर्मी आ जाता है. So I can just like get it out and like put it inside my bag and stuff. So yeah, very easy to do that. And then you can just like ride around with your shorts, easy peasy. Now getting back to the time, I'm going to show you the products which you need for extreme winter. Okay, so what you see here is for extreme winter. This is a jacket or a jersey from Decathlon. It's for winters. It has nice piece on the inside. This front part is a windbreaker, a wind protector, so very good. In order to not get too cold, you can always wear this base layer underneath and then wear this one on top. So yeah, you're done. You're fully protected for the winter. This part won't get any wind. Here you might get a little bit of wind, but that's not to bother because you're gonna get hot, you're gonna get sweaty. Yeah, I have gotten sweaty wearing these. Like, I kid you not, it gets sweaty. The base layer gets all wet. This pair is perfectly fine and highly recommended. Now, getting back to the pants, these are normal jersey quality pants, and it also has a padding underneath, so it protects your ass. No problem there. The only problem is that it doesn't have fleece inside, and it was kind of cheap. It might, like, this one might be expensive for some people, but then it's still the cheapest of what I got. This one I got in for 1400 rupees from Cycle Time India. It has a pocket for phone as well. There is a 1100 version as well where there is no pocket. That's about it. That's the only difference for these two. But yeah, I highly recommend it because it feels like you're wearing a pant rather than a short. Simple as that. If you feel like crazy cold, even then wind is bothering you too much. So yeah, let me show you. I mean, you have seen this. I carry this all the time. So this is a packable raincoat from Decathlon. Can be used as a windbreaker as well. So that is what I do. So it gets packed. Okay, so this is how it is from the back. It has a packet pouch here where you can like pack everything up and put it in a reverse order. But yeah, when you're extremely cold, you can just put it on and you are saved for the day, for the ride. You won't get cold ever. Like, this is a lifesaver. It's just like for people who are extremely cold and like cannot stand the cold. So this is it. You can get a lower size if you want. I know it kind of looks bigger on me. What's up? So yeah, it kind of looks bigger on me because the problem is that with the lower size, this hem or the crease area is like smaller and then I cannot lift my hands. So yeah, that is that. Now there is one bonus product. Wait for it. This is for like extreme cold when you cannot, so extreme that you really need the warmth in your legs. This is only for the leg. I have used this product like a couple of times. So yeah, wait a second. Okay, so this is the bonus product that I was talking about. These tights, these are from Decathlon. These are I guess football tights or something, but this has fleece inside for the winter to protect your legs or the lower from getting cold. But then it has heat dissipation or like anti-sweat elements as well, like around this area, similarly here and in the back. What you can do is you can wear your normal pant with padded pants underneath, which I am doing of course, and then you can wear this on top. I know it looks kind of weird and off, but then if you gotta protect yourself, you gotta protect yourself. So yeah, that's about it for this video. And if you like this video and if you found this video helpful, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this video with people who might want to buy certain stuff from here or certain stuff that I have shown and like might find useful. So yeah, that is about it. बाकी सबका लिंक नीचे दिया हुआ है, Amazon, Decathlon and all other stuff where I bought the products from, or every website, सबका लिंक नीचे दिया हुआ है. So yeah, and let me know what do you think, like is this useful for you guys or not, because I know like I got a bit late. It's like today is what, 17th of January already, and winter कब तक रहेगा? Let's say assume like till mid February तक winter रहेगा, उसके बाद तो गर्मी आ जाएगा, at least दिन में तो गर्मी आ ही जाएगा. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.